Joining means what is this? No, whatever you text at chat box is not considered. Second hour, I will take attendance and consider. Okay, first hour I'm marking offset. It's not possible. Suppose I'm started class means finally asking for a committee member for monetary committee. Only few students joining why we take the class. Okay. So any one or two student is network is okay. But more than for 20 student is not possible. For network issue, this is your very poor sincerity. Hmm? But finally, you are given for feedback. Sir is very poor sincerity in the classroom texted. Hmm? I joined 8:50. Class 10 minutes also. I waiting. It's okay. Electrophilic substitution, electron, Levine. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction, nucleophile Levine, nucleus. Okay, high. What about electron density? This is negative charges and electron donating with carbocation. What about that substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction, unimolecular reaction, first order kinetic, two-step process? What about the SN molecular reaction, second order kinetic? The two single step process, there are two reactive species involved for the reaction. Okay, but electrophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction. Okay, so alkyl halide is a hydrogen, halide is what about now also all are disconnecting. So maybe the absent students again disconnecting. Okay, so, okay, so the alkyl halide elimination, then finally forming carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon single bond converted to carbon-carbon double bond for the elimination reaction, similarly to for the SN2, SN1 mechanism. Yesterday we briefly discussed for the elimination reaction for E1 and U2. What about the significance? What are the priority differentiation between the E1 and the U2 mechanism? So it's very important for the elimination reaction. Okay, so now we will discuss for free radical mechanism. We know the free radical. Free means what about this unstable because the electron needed for the in atoms or molecule. Okay, so free radical. Free radical means what about suddenly attack to another atoms or molecule. Okay, this again for the what about there are three-step process for the free radical. One is initiation, propagation, termination. Okay, so this highly unstable for the free radical. How to prepare the free radical and what about the step by steps we will discuss for the free radical mechanism. But this is also very important. For example, polymer, right? What about the starting material? Polymer, ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2 n number of ethylene. Again, after converted to what about polyethylene? Polyethylene means what about like this? 1 second. Hello. Yes, good morning. Okay, class book பண்ணிக்கங்க. Okay, so the polymer reaction, number of monomer converted to polymer. Okay, so this is also polymerization product. This is also similarly for the free radical mechanism. So how to prepare for the free radical mechanism, and just now I share the PDF file. Already this PDF file, once again, I show the PDF file. This full for model 4 and 5 organic chemistry. I shared our class portal. This year, please once again check and read thoroughly. So this file already there our class portal. Full geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism, everything clearly written and there. first you should read these PDF notes, then PPT notes. Okay, PPT notes given very short. Only important point is highlighted, but it's not sufficient for the university exam for PPT. The PDF file, two types of PDF file I shared. Okay, one is a Dr. Sivarami ma'am. She is also for my department faculty member. She shared for the notes, common notes to all the branches. Okay, the two different PDF file also I shared for our classroom. Both also file you read thoroughly, then you refer to the PPT notes, right? So now, I don't know how many students open and read this file. This elimination, nucleophilic symmetry of element, everything, this file also there. The electrophilic reaction and the nucleophilic substitution reaction are also given briefly. Differentiation. What about this reaction mechanism? Okay. Now this one also free radical mechanism. You see here. The additions of hydrogen bromide to propene, okay, in the presence of free radical reaction. There are three steps. One is the initiation, propagation, termination. Initiation we prepared for the free radical. Propagation means chain growth. Chain growth. Termination means what about the reactions was completed. So it is proportionation reaction and coupling reaction. Okay, there are the two types of reaction for the termination step. Okay. First, initiation. What about initiator? This is for the alkyl or aryl radical, right? Alkyl, for example, what about methyl radical? Okay. So here also radical first we prepare like what about peroxides? Peroxide here HOOO hydrogen peroxide or what about peroxide here? See here 2RO radical. In this radical, highly unstable. See this radical suddenly attack to react to another stable molecule, finally produce for the what about the chain length? Again produces for the free radical. Okay. So first initiates in what about we prepared for the peroxides. Then in this radical we treated with the hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen bromide what about? Here also ROH. Here also alcohol, ethanol, methanol, this is also forming for the alcohol. Then bromine also radical formation. So bromine having for the free radical. So highly unstable for the bromine radical. So in this bromine further reacted to stable molecule. So first we prepared for the initiation for the free radical. Then propagation step. What about the propagation step? One is the free radical, another one stable molecule. Here propene. Propene we reacted with bromine radical. Is CH3, CH double bond, CH2. A propene C plus what about reacted with the bromine? The bromine suddenly attacked to the bromine. You see CH3, here carbon-carbon double bond is converted to carbon-carbon single bond. Here forming, see in this what about here also in this carbon free radical. Here also bromine, see bromine reacted with CH2, here bromine. Okay. So here also methyl, ethyl. Here also radical also we prepared from the here. The slow step. What about fast step? Here further in this reaction we are treated with the hydrogen bromide. Okay, hydrogen bromide here also already lone pair of electron here present. This is also what about free radical. In this reaction, what about fast step? Further we treated with the hydrogen bromide. The hydrogen bromate determines what about further in this hydrogen bonded to care, bromine also replaces bromine. This hydrogen reacted to care CH radical. CH radical means what about the hydrogen is reacted to the CH radical means the CH2, now stable molecule. So here also what about one bromopropane. First starting material here prepared for the propagation step, propene treated with bromine radical. Carbon-carbon double bond. After the slow step only for the radical formation is produced. The second step process very fast. See further reacted to hydrogen bromide. The hydrogen suddenly attack to the here also the ethyl radical. Okay, here suddenly attack now stable molecule. So finally form one propane. Okay, propene converted to propane. Further bromine radical Pr2 here. See here also what about termination step? Termination bromine radical finally forming bromine molecule. Okay. So what about coupling reaction and disproportionation reaction? There are these two-step presence of the termination reaction. So actually this is enough for the free radical mechanism for our level, BTEC level. Okay. So here what about the bromide ion attack to the positively charged of carbon atom? Okay, in this step, okay, attack to the carbon atom, bromine what about? Here also positive charge, here bromine is a negative. So here bromine also suddenly attack to the here CH2 group, right? Here what about combining these two reactions, we can represent the addition as what about here bromine radical, here carbon-carbon double bond, right? Converted to here carbon-carbon single bond, bromine attack to here. Okay, see bromine, CH2, then bromine also what about here negative and here also carbocations like. Okay, here forming positive. Then what about bromine, CH2, bromine. Okay, this forming for the combinations of the two reaction. This is called known as what about free radical mechanism. So this is very important for the how to attack to the hydrogen bromide to the propene. Okay, so very important. So next one is what about this already we discussed for the elimination reaction. Then oxidation reduction reaction. What about reagents we used for the organic chemistry? To complete the oxidations of organic compound it is conversion rate to carbon dioxide. Most of the organic compound once oxidized means mostly carbon dioxide also evolution. However, controlling the oxidation can be carried out by using what about proper catalyst. Okay, in this reaction condition and some CH bond and carbon-carbon bond are more susceptible to oxidation than the others, right? So here also controlling step for the carbon dioxide, how to control some reagents we used for the chemical reaction. Finally, the controlling of the organic reaction. See, mostly for the organic compound having carbon hydrogen bond and carbon-carbon bond. Okay, so we know the bipond. Bipond means alkene, carbon-carbon double bond. It is a covalent bond formed by whatever side to side overlapping of the atomic orbital. We discussed for the molecular orbital theory. What about SS combination, PP combination, and SP combination. See how to interaction to the CSS, SP, and PP overlapping. Here also similarly bipond what about the side to side overlapping of the atomic orbital. Okay, p orbital. Here sigma bond what about sp orbital. One is s orbital, another one p orbital like hydrogen chloride. See, sigma bond is a covalent bond formed by the head to and overlap of two atomic orbital. Right? We discussed like this is for the what about bipond and sigma bond nature of the organic chemistry as theory. A bipond is the point of attack in oxidations of alkene. Okay, alkene are oxidized to the glycol with the condition what about potassium permanganate. We know the D block lemon first T4 D5 also C3D series D4, D5 is a highly oxidizing agent. So potassium permanganate and potassium dibromate. Okay. Here also alkene. See further treated with potassium permanganate. So potassium permanganate, what about? See alkene carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. After oxidize, what about glycol? Okay. OH group directly attack to the ethylene. So ethylene glycol. See, similarly, the treatment of alkene with what about alkaline potassium permanganate result in the cleavage of the molecule of the bipond. You see here carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, see here CH3. Okay, further say oxidation with what about 2 CH3 CH OOH here. Okay, methane, ethane, propane, butane. This butene. Okay, here carbon-carbon double bond. Butane means what about 4? Okay, ethylene. Okay, 2 ethylene molecule. Ethylene CH3 COOH also forming. So this is very important. See, alkene converted to ethylene glycol. Here also what about converted to butene converted to here acetic acid. So the oxidation reaction is very important for this step. And further also what about alcohol and aldehyde, OH group CHO when oxidized with a mixture of potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid maintained for the what about acidic condition. Ultimate yield of carboxylic acid. Okay. Here what about ethanol? Here also oxidized with alcohol converted to aldehyde to leave the water molecule. Here also aldehyde further in this aldehyde further oxidized water potassium. First alcohol converted to aldehyde for the oxidation. Second also further aldehyde converted to water acid group. Say oxidation, each one oxidation with water the functional group will be changes for the organic chemistry, right? See another one osmium tetroxide. See the last years available for our syllabus for the osmium tetroxide. Now only 2 oxidation reagents only there for our syllabus, potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate. Okay, so osmium tetroxide is a volatile liquid that's most useful for the synthesis of 1,2 diol. Okay, from alkene. See, we prepared from the diol from alkene. This reaction is very mild and as usually leads to the formations of synthesis of diol. Okay, you see here the cyclohexene double bond also present. Osmium tetroxide treated with cyclohexene, you see here diol. Okay, actually alkene converted to ethylene glycol we discussed oxidation. Here also alkene in this double bond break with forming 2 OH group. So cyclohexane 1,2 diol, 2 diol. So here also what about this is noted for example only one is another one pyridinium chlorochromate PCC. You see the formula. So this also now not available I thought for our syllabus, but you should learn this in these reagents. Okay. See here pyridinium. This is pyridine NH here and chlorochromate. Chlorochromate. This is reactant PCC. This basically it is yellow orange salt. This is inorganic reagents. Inorganic organic reagent and used as a oxidizing agent for oxidations of alcohol to form carboxyls, right? You see here also PCC, the alcohol group. Here alcohol, this is converted to keto group. Which one? We are reagents adding to the in the pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, similarly here also. Okay, so like alcohol converted to aldehyde. Chromium also replaces. Oxidations of secondary alcohol. Here also what about or keto group form. Alcohol converted to keto group. Here what about tertiary reaction? No reaction, right? So this is oxidation reaction for the osmium tetroxide and pyridinium chlorochromate also. See only powerful oxidizing agents for the organic chemistry. Okay. Next one is a reduction reaction. So reduction, we know the reducing agent for the after D5, so iron, nickel, copper, zinc and copper also. This is also reducing agent, reduction reaction. So oxidation means what about, alkene converted to alcohol, alcohol converted to aldehyde converted to acid group for the oxidation. This is also reducing agent. For example, catalytic hydrogenation. The catalytic hydrogenation involves the use of hydrogen gas in the presence of the catalysis. Nickel, palladium, platinum. This is also like for the reducing agent. It is the commonly used for the alkane and aromatic compound. You see here ethylene. Ethylene we treated with hydrogen. Say hydrogenation here forming what about ethane? Carbon-carbon double bond. What about converted to carbon-carbon single bond? Two methyl also presence of the in this reaction. Suppose here also oxidation reagents we are using potassium permanganate means here also two alcohol also forming. Okay, we will discuss for the we discussed for the previously oxidation reagents. Here ethane. Here what about C? So here also similarly same thing. Here CH triple bond CH means here also ethane. Here what about aldehyde? Aldehyde C keto group also form C double bond OH. Here what about alcohol group? Okay, keto group converted to alcohol. This is for the in this reaction reducing agent when we will treat it for the hydrogen nickel. Okay, under the heat condition. The lithium aluminum hydrate. This is very important because our syllabus available lithium aluminum hydrate and sodium borohydrate. Which one reagents is more effective than the for a chemical reaction for sodium borohydrate or lithium aluminum hydrate? Lithium first treated with lithium aluminum hydrate, then with water. Okay. What about the acetone? Once again, only 55 students only join. Okay. Lithium aluminum hydrate is a general reducing agent for aldehyde ketone and nitrate. In this method, the compound first treated with lithium aluminum hydrate, then water. Okay, here acetone. You see here CH3, C double bond, CH3. Here what about isopropyl alcohol forming? Keto group converted to alcohol group. Okay, so here also what about ethyl cyanide? Carbon. Here triple bond also, CN bond also. Here the now what about cyanide group converted to amide group? So what about propyl amine? CH3, CH2, CH2 here and NH2. So this is also very important for the lithium aluminum hydrate for one of the most reducing agent for the organic reaction. Another one powerful reducing agents are sodium borohydrate. Sodium borohydrate is a good reducing agent, say although not as a powerful lithium aluminum hydrate. Okay, this is also what about sodium borohydrate is very effective for the reducing agents of aldehyde and ketone to alcohol. Aldehyde CHO keto group double bond O C double bond O to converted to alcohol. So it does not reduce the ester, carboxylic acid and amide. So ester carboxylic acid amide, so it does not reduce the what about the sodium borohydrate, only effective from the aldehyde ketone to alcohol, right? So here what about cyclohexane? Cyclohexane treated with the sodium borohydrate under acidic condition, then water. Okay. So here what about keto group converted to alcohol group? Here for cyclohexanol, right? So here another one here also the Birch reduction reaction lithium sodium under the liquid ammonia condition. Here also what about benzene? Here after treating with here lithium, sodium and ammonia, liquid ammonia. This means what about here also one double bond, right? This is converted to replaces finally forming here also ethanol like what about double bond also 1,4, cyclohexadiene. Okay, double bond also forming. See here one, this is a reducing agent, right? So that is a carbon triple bond also forming, triple bond converted to double bond. Okay, here naphthalene, similarly naphthalene, here what about sodium and liquid ammonia. Okay, here naphthalene converted to what about, so here 5 point after making what about 2 point eliminations of the naphthalene ring. So 1, 4, 5, A tetrahydronaphthalene. Okay, tetrahydronaphthalene. Here similarly also here. This is enough for the 2 or 3 reaction. What about the sodium borohydrate reagents, right? So then this is also Dickmann condensation reaction. This is very important. How to prepare for the cyclopentane. So in this reaction, finally, the prepared from the cyclopentane can be obtained when an ester of adipic acid. This is what about diethyl adipate. So first, what about the ester of adipic acid with CH2, CH2, COOH, CH2, CH2, COOH, adipic acid. Here diethyl adipate COOethyl. Okay, is treated with sodium ethoxide and sodium carboxylate. Is what about intramolecular changes produces the ketone. This is what about ketones reduced to the cyclopentane. Diethyl adipate treated with sodium with ethanol. What about, see, finally forming ethanol is replaces. Here also what about C double bond CH2 CH2 CO again suddenly forming this CH2. Okay, here forming. See, then water molecule plus ethanol further reduces for the ethanol. Here ethanol replaces means what about acid group. First COO ethyl here present first reduces for the ethanol replaces, then keto group CO double bond cyclo here also forming C double bond further treated with water molecule plus H plus ion the replaces of ethanol here. Okay, so here ethanol is replaces in finally COOH also forming acid group. Okay, here ester converted to acid group. Okay, say further heating to carboxycyclopentanone. This is carboxylic group also present in this step. Further treated with, say further we are heating in this reaction. What about this reduces of the carboxylic acid? Finally forming cyclopentanone. Okay, here also keto 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon rise cyclopentanone. So then here further treating the zinc and mercury for hydrochloric acid. Here also keto group converted to see what about alkane. This CH2 full CH2 group forming cyclopentane. So Dickmann condensation is very important. First starting material what about adipic diethyl ester of adipic acid. Okay, so this is very important for the Dickmann condensation reaction. Mostly asking for the part B section for an examination, right? So next one is the cyclo ring opening reaction. This cyclic forming after treating with alkyl hydrogen halide, this ring is open. Okay, so reduction with hydrogen iodide. So generally cycloalkane do not react with the hydrogen iodide. Halogens are acid. However, cyclopropane and cyclobutane additions of hydrogen iodide to give open chain alkyl halides. You see here, for example, cyclopropane triangle like right, 3 carbon cyclopropane treating with hydrogen iodide. What about here N-propyl iodide CH3 CH2 CH2I. So one hydrogen directly attack to the care any one carbon finally forming, see what of cyclization the ring opening to like N-propyl amide. Similarly hydrogen bromide, one bromopropene also come propane. Okay, so this is very important for ring opening reaction. So once treated with what about hydrogen, once treating with the halogens means what about here ring opening like N propyl amide iodide and one bromopropene also come. Once treating with the hydrogen, hydrogens treated with cyclic reaction means what about, see cyclopropane plus hydrogen and nickel, right? Here also what about, this is also N-propane. Okay, CH3, CH2, CH. See 1, 2, 3 propane molecule. Okay, Okay, cyclohexanol. Here also what a cyclic butane, cyclohexane or cyclic butane, like this cyclohexane means what about this cyclohexane? No, without benzene ring, right? The without bipon. Okay, so here treated with nickel, no reaction. Okay, here also cyclobutane treated with nickel, what about N-butane? Similarly, in this for the N-propyl iodide, right? Here also. Here N-propane coming like this hydrogen nickel treated with. The same condition treated with cyclobutane, N-butane, here N-propane. Okay. So, what about reduction with the collagens? Generally, cycloalkane undergoes free radical substitution reaction with the collagen at the higher temperature. Okay. You see, in the presence cyclopropane. See, in presence of sunlight, chlorine, this is forming what about chlorocyclopropane, right? This is not ring opening reaction. Okay. See, here also one chlorine also directly here attached. Okay. Then hydrochloric acid replaces. In absence of sunlight or in presence of sunlight, chlorocyclopropane. In absence of sunlight, means what support? Say carbon tetrachloride dark condition. Okay, without sunlight, what about treating with ring opening? Cyclopropane open with like 1, 3, dibromopropane. So this is very important for the reaction. But is what about once is the presence of sunlight with sunlight, without sunlight, what about the cyclopropane for the nature of chemical reaction? Similarly, here also 1, here also what about 3 dichloropropane, like once it treated with the chlorine. Okay. So then what about reaction with the sulfuric acid? So the cyclopropane treated with the sulfuric acid, here also coming N-propyl alcohol. Alcohol, this acidic condition, then one is a collagenation. The collagenation treating with cyclopropane, what about nature of chemical reaction? Once sulfuric acid treated with the cyclopropane, what about nature of chemical reaction? So this is very, very important for the ring opening reaction for the cycloalkane like. Okay, students? This is over. Almost we are completed for module 5 also. If anything else, please anyone raise the questions or comments. So no one aware the class, please tell me. I close the PDF file.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So now I will share the lesson plan. So module 5 also successfully completed, right? So please you prepare yourself. Yes, so 2 PDF file also updated. First you thoroughly read the module 4 and 5 PDF file. Then if anything else you ask, I will update further. Any file is available, I update. So I mute yourself, please.
Yes, sir.
You have more noise. Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. Good. Yeah. Thank you. You see here. This module 4 already completed. That module 5. The optical activity absolute configuration, racemic mixture, DL mixture, water D form, L form, clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. For organic compound, we are assigning for RS config. How to assigning for the RS configuration according to the CIP rule. So confirmation analysis of N-butane, we discuss the rotamer. What about the 6 rotation? Finally, 16 to 6, 360 for rotation, forward sin and anti confirmation. What about eclipse confirmation? Staggered confirmation. Okay. We each rotation, what about the energy level also we discuss, and stereo isomerism, geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism. Each one we discuss. What about geometrical RS configurations? Sorry, cis trans isomer, EZ notation. Optical isomerism, trio erythrio compound. Okay, but Newman projection line, what about trio erythrio and R and S configuration, rectus and sinitus. Rectus clockwise direction, sinitus counterclockwise direction. What about DL mixture, deform? Very important. What will be enantiomers? What will be diastereomers? Okay, and so what about the optical activity? Everything we will discuss. What about the ratio? So the polarimeter we are keeping the sample. The polarization light do not move with any direction. This is also optically inactive compound. Optically active compound, the plane polarized light rotating with depends upon the direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. This is optically active light. Okay. So here isomerism transitions of metal compound, inorganic coordination isomerism. Here also structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, coordination isomerism, ionization isomerism, hydration, and linkage isomerism. Each one we will discuss for the isomerism. And briefly we discuss with the nucleophilic substitution reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction. With each example we discuss alkyl halide, right? Explanations of SN1 mechanism only taking an example. So SN2 no need for the mechanism, only SN2. So 1 second. Hello. Yes. இல்ல கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. சரி 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 இந்த நான் கூப்பிடுறேன். சரி. Hello, sorry for the interrupt. Yes, important call. So, okay,
it's okay, sir.
Yeah, because this last 1 week my mom is not well. That is calling to me.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That is I ordered for the last week another staff for 2 faculty members also taking, right? So, okay. So structural isomerism, everything over. Electrophilic nucleophilic substitution reaction. You see here SN1 mechanism only asking for the our syllabus. SN2 no need, only reaction. And pre-Foucault on nucleophile and electrophile and free radical reaction with an example for each. Okay. The explanations of free radical mechanism only taking an example. Okay, student. And elimination for what about free Foucault and type of elimination reaction E1, E2 only. What about a reaction with an example? For each explanations of U2 mechanism only an example. E1 mechanism no need, only E2 mechanism. Okay, but SN1 mechanisms needed, but SN2 mechanism is not mentioned for syllabus. Okay, that is the elimination reaction. First I explain for the E2 mechanism. Okay, so E2 mechanism very important. You see here the syllabus asking only mechanism for E2, E1 no need. So explanations of taking potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate as an oxidizing agent. Just now we discussed further. So potassium permanganate, what about alcohol, aldehyde converted to keto group, something we discussed now. So potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, two oxidizing reagents is very important. And the reduction reaction, what about lithium aluminum hydrate and sodium borohydrate? So very important. And cyclization reaction, what about we prepare for the Dieckmann condensation cyclopentane. Okay, cyclopentane we discuss for diethyl adipate ester, right? Adipic acid, this reaction. Okay, So Dickmann condensation. So this is very important because we prepare for the cyclopentane. But ring opening reaction, additions of chlorine treated water for cyclopropane, butane, pentane, and bromine, hydrogen iodide, sulfuric acid, and water for cyclopropane. So this is very simplest reaction. So this is very important. And next one, that there are two drugs. How to prefer for the drugs? For paracetamol, aspirin, these common drugs. What about the effect and preparations of the drugs? Okay, student. So anything else for this module 5?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I completed for the all the models successfully. Please, only your preparation started to for maybe many students started. I don't know how many students touch with model 4 and 5, and finally examination paper one day we were asking for mostly many student calls are this part is not uploaded for the your classroom, sir, please again you upload. So unnecessary asking, please your times there because we are early completed for the all the module. So please prepare one, two different notes also I uploaded. Anyone you are like, please you thoroughly prepared. Okay. So you see here the student only 56 student only joined. Yeah. So how to maintain? Suppose asking no sir 5 to 1 minutes I late sir means I consider attendance. Because those people also like businessmen like. Suppose not given the attendance, all are leave the class. What is this like? How to learn this topic for today lesson? Minutes you maintain attendance. Okay. So no sir, I'm there in 80% means definitely it's not because the optional hours also I'm marking attendance that is came for your more than 80-90%. Suppose though in academia not consider for your optional hour attendance. So maybe everyone also getting close 70% because finally the during examination you're facing a lot of problem. Otherwise you are not allowed for the university examination. See already I instructed as every day also 10 minutes before I open connecting the class. No one joining after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, everything connecting means what about that? You know here how here monitoring committee also it's all the individual sections also monitor and submit the report to my HOD. This faculty connecting this in this today he is taking this topic. Only total strength of student joining for the first hour. What about the strength of second hour? So finally everyone I given the attendance means finally asking me because today's strength is for 56 student, but why given for the attendance 100% for everyone? Please you understand my side also because I am facing a lot of struggle in every day for the SRM. Okay. I requestly asking for everyone, please you understand my level also. Okay. Okay, student. So I successfully completed all the module. Please prepare. Either model examination, I don't know, 5 module or the 4th and 5th unit, I don't know. See, model examination is like university examination. Mostly asking for 1 to 5 model also. Now time is there. Please prepare well and score well. Okay. So many students also very careless. The practical file everyone also submitted late. How to given for everyone also 100% mark? This is very difficult. I didn't conduct any Viva examination also. CLA 1 I conducted Viva, all are shouting and 2 minutes irritating. So that is I stopped for the Viva pattern only for calculation. Say every week also 1 hour we are conducting lab session and 1 hour free session. I given the value you calculating that time enough. Okay, but everyone also no need to calculate for the for last four experiment. Finally, everyone also copied and to calculated. But I given time also, but no one updated a proper as per the given time. Please student, any suggestion, any comments?
No, sir.
Yes, Nikhil.
No, no, sir.
Okay, Vibhav. Okay, only for my subject and other subject also happening like we ask the student maintaining attendance and joining. But all are very good students, really great, very good. But this is your life, sir. Only one time we have studied for this semester. Every semester only one time. Hmm? So for 2 hours classes means 1 hour I taking classes, another 1 hour generally we will discuss. Previously also, still also.
Okay, sir.
Because your job is only studying, your profession is only studying, right? But no one aware, very careless. Okay. So the assignment is I gave already for the first 20 student according to the register number. First 20 student already I assigning the 3 question. The remaining students, okay, I assigning model 4 and 5. This is practice for yourself, right? So now time is 9, 10 o'clock. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 student absent for first hour. Then now I share the question bank. Please 1 second. Stay on class. Sir, next I thought our as per minutes of meeting, the schedule of test commencement from model examination for practical and theory, right? So the practical 16th 7, okay, July for commencement of model examination for practical. But I didn't receive right now. Once I getting the information, I will share, okay, for the practical. Mostly this date we will conduct for the model examination. The practical model examination. So for maybe the exam conducted for two examiner. Already I informed the two examiners also conducting for the university exam and model examination. Okay. Please you should keep it your file for first model 1 for experiment, model 2 the second for experiment. Therefore already there everyone for the PDF file, campaign file. Okay. So suppose meantime also conducting viva voice examination during your examination. Okay, model examination. So you should prepare thoroughly for all the 8 experiments. So the only for the I didn't ask any examination and university exam. Only the external examiners also conducting the examination. I am only internal faculty. The external examination asking your question. So any mistake I given during the explanation of each experiment. Please, any mistake you did, you rectify the mistake and keep it yourself. Suppose any randomly asking the examiner randomly asking any one student, please share the file for experiment number 4 or 5. Please explain the your procedure, how to do this experiment, why conductance decreases, why conductance increases. So why we are taking for the pilot titration 1 ml and 0.2 ml. See which one, why we didn't substitute the pilot titrate value for in graphical value V2 ml, why we are taking fat titrate value for the endpoint, equivalent point. So this asking questions. Okay, you clarify well because only each 8 experiment very simple. So equal weightage of theory. Okay. So each experiment at least spend the 10 minutes for your time. So definitely we score very nice because university and model examination theory definitely we can't score the mark. Okay, I see mostly the mark also we unnecessary lose the mark. Okay, please you are prepared well for thoroughly for the all the 8 experiments step by step. Suppose you can't understand any experiment or calculation, any doubt, you ask. Okay, no problem. I'm there. Yes, we are engaged for still 27th July. Now also 6th July. Okay, remaining 20 days or 20 days means more than 10 hours also there. The 10 hours we will engage. So practical session next to once practical is come, we prepare. I'm asking the question and what about how to do the exercise. Simply I'm asking for because we are engaged right next practical session next week. Day order 5. I thought okay. So maybe next day order 5 maybe conducting for university exam, sorry model exam practical. I thought okay. So you go prepared well and theory also theory hours. I'm asking questions. Okay, model 4 and model 5. Otherwise, I assigning the seminar for student. If anyone takes seminar, I give mark also. This please your other I given the I instruct the so no need, but you are voluntarily you given name. Say anyone willing, you tell them, sir, I will take this topic. I am interested. I take this seminar means. So mark also I given. No need for seminar, right? Sorry, assignment. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will. At least once I'm asking, no need to answering. Otherwise, you text a chat box. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Because all are do meditation and yes, once open our mouth means maybe it's infection, maybe causes corona, right? I don't know why these people. Which one teacher is good for your in this semester? I thought your the relationship wants more interesting subject and teachers. Anyone, please? Vibhav. Sorry, Vibhav, I disturbed
Yes, sir.
you. Only for chemistry subject or all other subject also same thing happen?
Yes, sir. It's same for all, sir.
All okay, good. Okay. Maybe this mode of online classes is very boring. Okay.
Yes, sir. Technical glitch is also there, sir.
Yes, Vibhav. This is also common to this is also world level, right? This issue. Each country also facing like same now. Yes, this year also third waves also coming. Someone media and news also instructed. I don't know. Maybe what about third semester started from August, right? For your third semester, second year, third semester.
Sir, from September.
September. Oh my God. June, July, August, September. Started September to March, right? September,
No idea, sir.
no idea. So because the faculty also suffer only for this pandemic. Frequently, continuously, we are taking classes, no rest. Then 40 minutes, 1 hour there. And 40 over class.
Today. Then party करेगा क्लास में चला जाएगा
Shaurya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Shaurya and Ravis Kumar Reddy. Ravis Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Surabhi.
Actually, sir, she was having some network
She
issue.
wrote in the chat
She's
about
trying to join again.
Okay.
Yes, sir. She's trying to join again.
Okay. Thank you. So please, 75, 76, 77. 3 students I assigning for the your assignment topic. Actually, there are 2 assignment also during the semester. We are update for our portal. Okay, already 1 assignment is completed. So the first 20 member already assigning 3 question is completed. Okay. So the 3 student like what about 75, 76, 77. Your topic, please write 3 questions. Please mute that more noise. I don't know. Okay.
So we need to write the answer of these 3 questions, 9900 and 101.
Yes, 99 to 101. For 3 students, you should write. Please no need to change the question number. Okay. So 99, 100, 101. 3 questions.
We
Please
are
you
supposed
should.
to type it or we can write it.
A4 sheet. Yes, sorry, Word file, right? Previously, the first 20 students is completed. A4 Word document, you create the Word document. The question also, you find out the Google, otherwise our class notes, you should type the Word document, okay? So, your question number 90, so yes, the start from module 4 ASIC based theory, like 99, 100, 101. So 3 students assigning for the 3 question. What about the number? Saurya, Ravis Kumar Reddy, Surabhi. Okay. Please,
Yes, sir.
the question number, question serial number, no need to change. Okay, separately you should write. Separately you should write your assignment. Okay, assignment to your register number. So top corner you should mention your branch and your name and register number, and question number 99, 100, 101, question and answer, question and answer, Word document. Okay, just you should write the Word document, and finally I upload the assignment for the assignment to, then you upload your response. Okay, later on, maybe after 1 week I given assigning for the assignment to. Okay, student, are you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So next, Kushi,
Yes, sir.
Saloni,
Yes, sir.
and Sivakuru Priya.
Yes, sir.
See your question number 102, 103, 104. Okay. Please note that already this question bank I updated, uploaded with our GCR. Please check our portal also. Okay. Yeah. So still Sivakuru Priya, your question 102 to 104. Yeah. Then Vishal,
Yes, sir.
Adarva, are you there? Please Vishal tell.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Asutos.
Sir, Atharva is there.
Yeah, okay. Asutos. Asutos absent. Otherwise, you tell him Asutos also. Okay, anyone texted him, sir is assigning for the assignment topic. The serial number, what about?
105 to 108.
Okay,
what?
thank you. 105 to
107.
7. Okay. Okay, students. So this is 3 questions for your assignment topic. So please do not change with your serial number. You should mention 105, 106, 107. Okay. Yes, we are arranging the order wise is very easy, right? So next, Santanu, Afan, Nikhil Ranjan. So you are posting 3 students assigning 3 questions, 108 to 110. Okay. Yes or no?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Next is me. Next is me. Aditya Nigel. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question number 111 to 113. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next, Sri Krishna Prakash, Arusi, Sarvesh, and Asmi. Okay, 4 students. So including what about Arusi, today she is not present, but I given I don't know, she is not updated for practical file also. The situation I don't know, but someone I thought told she is not well. Okay. So the 4 students I am assigning for the question number 114 to 160. 114 and 15 and 16. Okay. Still asking me. Okay. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then Nivedita Samring Mukundan. You are 117 to 119. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then Saranya Mahin Krishnadhara. Okay. Your question number 120 to 120 to 122. This is like, okay. Yes or no? Yeah. How to put
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. Next, Navni Tanishk.
Yes, sir.
Navneet and
Yes, sir.
Harish. Yeah, so 2 students I assigning for the 3 questions. 123 to 125, 2 students. Okay, so Navneet, Tanish,
Okay, sir.
and Abiru and Pargav, 126 to 128. Okay, Abiru and Pargav.
Okay, sir.
Suppose anyone asks, and please tell him. Okay, assignment. And Abarna, others, 129 to 131. Abarna, others present?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And Kashya, Devesh. See 132, 134. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
132, 134. And Devesh and Sai Prasad. Devesh, Sai Prasad present?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Divesh present.
Yeah, Sai Prasad is absent. Please anyone texted him. Your question number 135 to 137. Please students, noted your question number. Finally, everything confused and overlapping with other students is very difficult to arranging your questions. Right? And what about Akshay, Karthik?
Yes.
Akshay, Karthik. Yeah, 138 to 140. 1 second. 138 to 139. Akshay, Karthik, Shubham, Gupta. Okay, 3 students.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That
138 to 140.
Yes, sir.
138 to 140, right?
Yes, 3 students. Akshay, Karthik, Shubham, Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next 138 to 139 and 140. 140. Naman, Uday Kumar, Tripti Singh. Okay?
Yes, sir. Naman present.
3 students.
130. Sir, I guess it is from 141.
141. Okay, 141. Okay. Yeah. Next, others, Shetas, Aditya. So 142, 144. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Shetas, Aditya, right? I given the assigning the 2 students, right?
Yes,
Two
sir.
at least.
142 to 144.
No. How many students assigning?
You assigned 3. Me, Adarsh, and Aditya.
Aditya. Okay. Next, 145, 146, 147. The 3 questions for Tebalita, Parth, Sivans, okay, and Vibhav. 4 students. Okay. Tebalita, Parth, Sivans, Vibhav. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The last 3 questions for last 4 students like Shashank, Himanshu, Roshan, Ayushi. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So please write A4 sheet, create the Word file, and the questions also cut and paste it to Google. Maybe more response also come. First, you should thoroughly read 3 questions. Which one is better for your easily understanding for this topic? Cut and paste it the Word document. Okay. After I assigning for the assignment to, you upload your document. Okay. Yeah. Mahin Sharon, but I card all are present, but still also strength is 63. Anna said present, but only 63. Whatever we are taking attendance, Not tally finally.
Sir, all three have to do all the three questions, na?
What, Aditya?
Sir, you have assigned three common questions to three students.
Yeah.
So all the three students should done the three questions you assigned, na?
Yes, three student assigned three questions. I given separately you should write.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Please, I request you everyone, please no need to change for your serial number, question serial number. Okay. Sir, any student, please give me your name, take like assignment, seminar. Only your interesting topic. Yes, we are engaging our class already over the portion, right? So smaller topic is, sir, I want to take for nucleophilic substitution, reaction SN1, SN2, sir. You tell me, please, this is a better choice for you. For a seminar, okay? So any topic, not only for model 4 and 5, 1 and 5 also. Suppose you can't prepare very difficult means only share my notes and explain yourself. So tomorrow inform, right? Tomorrow last hour there. Sweta Sri.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me how to engage the class for next coming class. What about your decision? Otherwise, anyone student tell me your opinion.
Sir, we can revise the syllabus.
Yes, Soya.
Sir, you can revise the syllabus for once again.
I can't audible. 1 second. Yes, Soya.
Sir, we can do revision of again module 4.
Model 4. Okay. So okay, next class, PS, Swayam, first you should read thoroughly for the model 4, okay. So, revise means all the models, model 4 are just, already I given the question, okay. Just we find out the answer and the question bank one time you should refer. Suppose this question we can't answering, we will discuss, okay. The model 4 PPT already I shared our classroom. Just one time you should read thoroughly. And Dr. Sivami ma'am also shared the notes already. Okay. Otherwise, what about assigning 3 student, right? For 3 question, you share your question and explain. That is good. Next, tomorrow we will generally discuss for questions and day after 5 we start the seminar.
So, these 3 questions we have to submit by next week, means before 13th, right?
No, Setas, after I assigning the portal. Still first I given for next week, maybe next week means what about day after 5 I assigning the portal. Once I assign, you should submit your file. Are you understand, right?
Yes, sir. So, whenever we have to submit it, assign it 2-3 days before, so that if we haven't done, we can do it.
Okay. That's no problem.
Thank you,
because
Yes,
many
sir.
students is not completed, right? Too much time is taken. So that is I told. Okay, no problem. Today also, if it is possible, today also I assign. There's no problem for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And in that you put the deadline so that because if we don't submit the assignment, we get a notification mail that we haven't submitted, so we can submit
Okay.
it if there is a
Okay.
deadline.
Okay. So tomorrow I assign na. So tomorrow day after to last hour I assign the your assignment portal. Okay. Create your portal.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Well. Okay, so please, whatever you prepared yourself for assignment, just you should clearly read and explain well, because I am asking the randomly calling or otherwise according to the serial number wise I call. You share your word file and explain well. Hmm. 53%. Adnan Devar. Adnan. Vrunda. Vrunda, please, you understand myself, okay? Your strength is very poor. Means how to I taking classes? Otherwise, someone also informed to my HOD, right?
What, sir?
No, just 9 o'clock. Please, you should join the class. Everyone.
So actually, I'm having fever, sir, and the person came for blood testing.
So your problem, I don't know, right? Huh?
Okay, sir. If you want to mark me absent, you can mark me absent.
No, mark me absent. That is, this is not like that. Okay, everyone's also getting 100%. I feel very happy. Any struggle means you forward to your CR. Because I want to connect him for 5 or 10 minutes late, please let them for our teacher. I consider.
Sir, but I have attended all the previous classes, sir.
Yeah, sure, Vrunda. All are very good. But what about I not only tell for you, commonly I said, okay, you should connect as per the time, because only for 37 students joined 9 o'clock. How do I taking classes? Once I take classes, means the monitoring committee informed to my HOD. This is a lot of problem. Hmm?
Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay. What about next? Janvi?
Yes, sir.
You also joined late, huh?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Subham?
Next time I'll join on.
Okay, Subham? 65 Subham? Please anyone tell him, otherwise 2 hours marking absent means you are suddenly decreases your attendance percentage. Aditya?
Present, sir.
Why Aditya you are today joining it?
Sir, I joined at the time, but sir, I wrote the reason in the chat, sir. You can check.
But no time for me. Only I monitoring class.